New York City Mayor Zohran Mamdani has written a personal note to the Delhi riot accused Omar Khalid. In this letter, there's also reference to 8 US lawmakers who've urged India to grant Khalid bail. They flagged concerns over prolonged pre-trial detention. The BJP has hit right back and strongly condemning foreign interference, while the Congress has welcomed this international attention. India Today gets you more in this report.
Constitution of the State of New York.
Constitution of the State of New York.
And the Charter.
Zohran Mamdani has taken office as the new mayor of New York City. But even as celebrations continue, Mamdani is back in the headlines. This time over a letter he wrote to Delhi riot case accused Umar Khalid. In the note, Mamdani struck an emotional tone, writing that he often reflects on Khalid's words about resisting bitterness, even in difficult times. He also mentioned meeting Khalid's parents and conveyed that many people were thinking of him. The letter became public after it was shared by Khalid's partner on social media.
9 तारीख को न्यूयॉर्क में मेरी ज़ोहरान ममदानी से मुलाकात हुई। मैं और मेरी वाइफ वहाँ गए हुए थे हमारी बेटी की मुलाकात के लिए। हम समझते हैं कि इससे हमको यानी चाहे ज़ोहरान ममदानी से मुलाकात की बात हो या इन कांग्रेसमैन से मुलाकात और सेनेटर से मुलाकात की बात हो, इससे हमें हौसला मिला है बहुत। और ये मैकगॉन ने खुद लोगों से कांटेक्ट करके उसमें उनके दस्तखत लिए हैं इस मामले में, तो ये बड़ी अहम बात।
This is not the first time Mamdani has spoken about Umar Khalid. In 2023, at an event in New York, Mamdani had read out excerpts from a letter written by Khalid, where he spoke about not allowing his incarceration to turn into bitterness. There's also growing international attention to Khalid's case. 8 US lawmakers have written to the Indian ambassador in Washington, urging that Umar Khalid be granted bail and a free and fair trial. The lawmakers cited concerns over prolonged pre-trial detention in India and emphasized the importance of due process. Back home, the developments have triggered sharp political reactions. Leaders from the Congress and the India bloc have welcomed the international attention, calling the intervention significant and reiterating that bail is the rule, jail the exception.
भारत की बदनामी भी बहुत हो रही है। जब कांग्रेसमैन और सेनेटर्स कह दिए तो समझ लीजिए कि ग्लोबल न्यूज़ हो गई। मेयर का तो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं होता है, लेकिन कांग्रेस में सेनेटर्स की बात बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होती है।
भारत सरकार को, दिल्ली पुलिस को अपना रवैया बदलना चाहिए और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर जो हमारी दुर्गति लगातार नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार अपने एक्शन से करा रही है, उससे देश को बचाना चाहिए।
The BJP, however, has pushed back strongly, highlighting a photograph of Rahul Gandhi with one of the US lawmakers who signed the letter. The party questioned why individuals Rahul Gandhi meets abroad often take positions it claims go against India's national interests.
Rahul Gandhi ji should understand the weight of the responsibility that has been bestowed upon him by the people of this country. You cannot choose foreign soil as a fora to make irresponsible remarks. Is trying to malign the image of India, and it will not be tolerated.
The VHP has also criticized Mamdani, questioning his right to comment on India's legal processes. The VHP accused him of selective outrage, alleging silence on attacks on temples and Hindus in the US, and questioned whether Mamdani's support for Umar Khalid is driven by religious considerations.
न्यूयॉर्क के मेयर को तो ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए। जो अपने आप को लॉ मेकर कहते हैं, उनको भारत के लॉ के अंदर इंटरफेरेंस करने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है। उनको अपने अंतरात्मा आत्मा में झांकना चाहिए। दर्जनों लोगों को मरवाने वाले उनके लिए अब वकालत कर रहे हैं, पत्र लिख रहे हैं, शर्म आनी चाहिए।
38-year-old Umar Khalid was arrested in September 2020 and faces multiple charges. He has also been charged under multiple sections of the UAPA. Earlier, the Delhi police in its charge sheet claimed that the riots were well designed and orchestrated, and the ultimate aim was regime change. Delhi courts have repeatedly denied Umar regular bail, though he has been granted interim bail on limited occasions for family reasons. Most recently, Khalid was given temporary bail from December 16 to December 29 to attend his sister's wedding. This under strict conditions, including a gag order and a ban on social media use. As international voices grow louder, the debate continues. Are Mamdani and US lawmakers expressing genuine concern over civil liberties, or are they interfering in India's internal affairs? Bureau Report, India Today.